March to June should be solely dedicated for prelims. What happens that when you're starting in June and preparing up to next June, you have an integrated study. You focus on prelims, you focus on mains, everything you do. So in this particular period, March to June, you should focus on prelims only. So this is very important. So for prelims, you should do test series as much as possible. They are very, very helpful. They'll help you in getting an idea about what kind of questions comes in the exam, and they'll help you in developing that thing, that how you are going to tackle this exam in the examination room. So test series is very important. Second thing which you should focus in this period is the time management, how you are going to manage your time. I've seen people who have flunked prelims and who are doing very good in the test series, and the only reason why it happened was because they were not able to manage the time because of the pressure which was there in the examination room. So this is very important. Third thing which you should focus in this period is the books in which the objective part of syllabus is more. For example, spectrum of history is there, which covers the minute details which can be asked in the exam. And also these things are, usually we forget these things, so you have to revise these things again and again. So spectrum, Lakshmikant, and all these books which contain objective things, they need to be revised again and again in this period. So this is how you should strategize the things. Now the prelims day is in June, so up to June your whole strategy is fixed. As soon as you give the prelims, the main thing is you come and check the answer key whether you are clearing it or not. So it is important that you should start your preparation of mains from that day itself. If you think that whether I'm clearing or I'm not clearing, you'll waste your time, because 1 month it takes for UPSC to give the result for prelims exam. So you start the preparation from the next day itself of prelims. So now you have a time period from June to October. Mains is in October. So what should be your focus in these June, July, August, September, October, in these 4-5 months? Your focus, main focus in these months should be answer writing. You should understand this thing, that if you will not practice answer writing, you cannot clear mains. It is an essential part of mains. So you have to focus on answer writing. I used to write every day 7 questions for an hour, and I used to sit with my group mates and used to discuss these things. So it helped me a lot. So focus on answer writing, that is the most important thing. It doesn't matter how much you know, because I'm sitting here selected in the examination, but still I don't know many things. So don't think that your syllabus is complete or not, you know many things or not. Just start writing from the very first day after clearing the prelims. So this is the thing. The next which you should focus on in this period is the test series again. Test series is something which will give you an idea how you are going to manage your time in the exam, because 3 hours are there and 20 questions are there. How you are going to finish it up, that is very, very important. The first task is to finish the questions. So test series will help you in managing your time for mains examination. The third thing which you should focus in this period up to October is your current events and your notes. That is very, very important. Whatever issue is coming up, you should link it with the syllabus and you should make your notes of that particular topic. That will help you in preparing for mains. What happened when I went for writing the exam, whatever questions were there, either I had note of those particular questions or I had already written those questions. So that should be the thing, that you should have practiced. If you'll start thinking there that what I should write in that particular question, then the time will get lost and you'll not be able to complete the paper. So these things